It's nights like these that we absolutely love, with these fun curvy roads on a scenic route with bridges to drive under and Miatas in water and oh,
It's not supposed to be there.
let's take a look at what happened.
This is day one of Spencer being off to college. It's not actually day one, but we're gonna say it's day one because it's the first time I've had time to record. And it's about 9 o'clock in the morning here. About to take off. I was at work and some guy asked me for some help this Saturday morning, so we're gonna get to it. So just getting back from pouring concrete. I'll put a picture in the video here. We did a small little slab. It was small enough to not require a permit or anything, so it took about an hour or so. But I did end up meeting a guy that was also helping out. It happened to be his neighbor, and his son built a turbo Miata, and crazy enough, ended up exchanging numbers. He ended up seeing my car, and that's how we got to talking. But I got a name and number. The guy is wanting to sell the car whole or part out the extra stuff that he's put on it. And that's kind of what I'm going to be doing, is just seeing if I can get a good deal on any of the parts that he's got on his car. So, I mean, as far as like coincidence, it's kind of ridiculous that something like that would happen within an hour time span, but I'm really glad I decided to go and help the dude.
So I'm going to attempt to discuss what I believe happened with the Miata. Now, after going to help the dude with the concrete, and this was, I believe, a Saturday, it was earlier in the morning, but I decided to go down to see Spencer and his living situation for college, just to see what our business partnership might look like in the future. The car driving down there drove really nice, actually, but as soon as we got there, we were following a truck, and we just ran over something glass, and it was really bad. I wanted to check the wheels, but I didn't want to stop, and we were just going to get something to eat. So after sitting down and eating for a while, coming back out to the car kind of just completely went over my head to check the wheels, and see if they were okay. With that, right after, we decided to go drive on a curvy road. There are quite a few down there in the area where he's living, which was another reason why I wanted to go down there. But with that, it was not even 2 turns in, the first one being to the right and the second a sweeping turn to the left, which put pressure on the tire that I had believed to be low in hindsight. So I completely lost control of the vehicle, and, well, you kind of saw it. This is kind of the situation that it's in right now. Headed back from Missouri. It's kind of a long weekend. The car is the back trailered, but we're gonna get her home. Car is back home where it belongs, safe and sound. I actually made it up to the courthouse to get it registered. Well, not this, but I got this unregistered, and I got my Mustang down there that I've been working on fixed. I got it registered. Now this thing, it's kind of forcing me to start working towards the 300 horsepower Miata goal. Now that it can no longer be driven, I can start taking parts off of it
transmission and brakes and the torsion differential, and build a 300 horsepower Miata. It's gonna be pretty wicked. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. We're gonna have quite a lot more going on the channel, and we got a few projects going. So there are gonna be a lot more videos coming out here in a very short time. Peace out.